Welcome to the PeopleSoft Human Resources Faculty Additional Employment web tutorial on running the FAE payroll report. This training is produced by IT Training and Support and will take approximately 5 minutes to complete. Closed captioning is available for this tutorial. Click on the CC icon at the bottom right of the window to enable closed captioning. If you experience any issues with this tutorial, please email ittraining@fullerton.edu or call 657-278-5647. When you are ready to begin, click on the Start button. To access the Faculty Additional Employment Payroll Report, begin by selecting Human Resources on Titan Online. Click on the main menu. Select CSU Temp Faculty. Select FUL Faculty ADDL Employment. Select FUL FAE Reports. Select Faculty Additional Employment Pay Report. If you have run this report before, click Search to locate your existing Run Control ID and then select it. If you have not run this report before, click Add a New Value. Run Control IDs are like templates for your report. You will create it once and then reuse the same Run Control each time you want to run the FAE payroll report. Start by giving your Run Control a name to identify it, such as FAE_payroll. Remember that you cannot have any spaces in a Run Control name, so either use an underscore in the name or combine all the words together. After you enter a name for your Run Control, click Add. Start by checking the job code field. If you are processing academic year contracts, the job code should be 2403. If you're processing summer work break contracts, the job code should be 4660. You can type the job code or click the magnifying glass to look up the codes. If you have both types of contracts to process, you will need to run this report twice, as you can't include both job codes on the same report. Next, enter the appointment begin date range. This is the date range that includes the contract begin date for the contracts that you want to process. Remember that the contract begin date is always the first day of the pay period during which the faculty will begin work. You can also include multiple months if you want to process contracts starting in different months. You can either type in the dates or use the calendar icon to select a date. In this example, I have 3 contracts with a contract begin date of January 1st that I need to process. So I will choose January 1st for both the from date and through date. For most users, you will select Report by Department to process contracts for one or more departments. The Report by Employee is best used when you are reprinting a contract that has been updated for a single employee. Enter the department ID that you want to include on the report. Note that the number of contracts to be processed is listed in the Count column. Double-check that this is the number of contracts you expect to be on the report. If you want to run this report for multiple departments, click on the plus icon to add more rows. Click Run when you are ready to run the report. First, choose the type of report that you are running, academic year or summer. Then check that the type is set as web and the format is PDF. Then click OK. You will see a process instance number that lets you know the report was submitted. Click Report Manager. You may find that the report is not yet ready. Click on the Refresh button to update the status of your report. When your report is ready, you will see a hyperlink in the description column. Click on the report name hyperlink to open the report. The PDF report will open in a new window or tab. Download the report using the built-in Adobe PDF toolbar in the web browser. In most browsers, you can also right-click on the report and choose Save As or Print. After you have downloaded the FAE payroll report, you will want to print the report and obtain the required signatures. Then send the signed report to Payroll Services. Next, let your department processors know that they can retrieve the contracts from My Workplace. Remember that you may want to make a copy of the signed payroll report before sending it to Payroll Services. Thank you for viewing this Faculty Additional Employment web tutorial.